So what's up guys, this is Priyam and today we are going to talk about how to fake drone shots. So without wasting any more time, let's just jump right into it. And for this you will need Google Earth and any kind of video editing software. It can be Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro, or even Filmora. I see you guys, Filmora gang. So for this you will need video editing software and Google Earth. Google Earth is basically Google Maps, which is far better than Google Maps. It's just basically like a 3D model of the Earth made by Google. So let's just jump right into my computer. As you guys can see over here, this is the Google Earth download link. I will provide this link down below. You just have to click here. This is not a tech channel, so I won't show you how to do this. It used to be a tech channel, but it's not anymore. By the way, if you haven't liked this video yet, please make sure to like this video. And if you haven't liked this video yet, you better be hiding your cookie, man. I don't know. It can get vanished anytime. So as you can see, this is what Google Earth looks like. Over here, as you guys can see, there are few things under the layer. There are the borders and the labels. Places, you just uncheck all of them because you don't need any of it. So let's just scroll to a place where we need the footage from. So I live in India and I live in Kolkata, in case you didn't know from my accent. Bangali Babu. Where is Kolkata? I am pretty much certain this is Kolkata. So as you guys can see, this looks pretty awesome. Over here you can change the angle of the camera and stuff, as you guys can see. So if you don't want any kind of movement in your drone shot, you just want it to be like a picture, then you can just take a screenshot right away over here. You can take a screenshot like that, or what you can do is, since I'm screen recording right now, you can record your screen and do this. Since the cars don't move, it's not really like if you take just an image and like zoom into it, that would be fine, but you will lose a lot of like clarity of the image. So this is a better way of doing it. By the way, I talk too much. If you hate that, you might leave this video or drop a dislike. It's engagement. If you don't like this video, you can leave. See ya. So now you have Google Earth, you have the footage. It is nowhere near like actual drone shots because this is a computer generated image. This is the closest you can get without spending any money on like drones and stuff. So I'm going to use Premiere Pro. By the way, if you like this setup, do let me know down in the comment section. In case you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe. And so as you guys can see, I'm now at Premiere Pro. It hasn't started yet. So now you are going to import all your files. So after you have successfully imported your footage, you are just going to create a new sequence. Just drag it, bring it to like here, this notes type thing, sticky note type thing. You go there, release it. It makes a quick sequence with the same settings as the footage you have. So you go to effects control, you go like scale, you scale it a bit so that the Google watermark goes away, and you change your position a bit so that other things goes away. I need to zoom in a bit more. So now it's just basic editing. Just now find the part which you want to use. So I'm going to use this much. C to cut, V to move tool, and delete. So as you guys can see, this is my drone shot. It looks pretty nice. One thing you can do is add some blur. So you go to your effects, you write blur, and you will see Gaussian blur. And then you can do one thing is, since it looks a bit bland and looks like map, so you can go right here, add a new adjustment layer with the same settings. Like as you guys can see, it's 24 FPS, standard movie settings. So you drop it on it and resize it. It's giving as you guys can see, I have somehow managed to make it look like Narcos, which looks pretty nice, to be honest. It looks nice. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. As you guys can see, it looks pretty nice. And if you like this video, please make sure to drop a like. And if you liked it very much, you can share it with other friends. If you have a vlogger friend who needs drone shot for his intro or something like that, you can send it to him or her. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Please make sure to subscribe and watch you guys in the next one. Peace.